Good day everyone, I am Harry Liagas and now let's discuss why Rizal differs from other Filipino heroes. Rizal stands out from other Filipino heroes because he championed the peaceful reform through education, literature, and civic action, rather than armed revolution. His novels, The Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, exposed the societal justice and inspired a national awakening. Unlike other leaders like Bonifacio who advocates for armed revolt, Rizal believed that lasting change required enlightenment and unity. His execution symbolized the ultimate sacrifice for freedom, uniting Filipino across the class and region, making him the ideal national symbol of intellect, sacrifice, and involvement resistance. So that Rizal was more different than other Filipino heroes. And that's all. Thank you.